They're going to yank it all the way down. There it is.
Ford owners say
LS power, baby. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another awesome video today from Twisted Boost Media. I am Mark. If you're new to the channel, we do vlogs for events that are all car related of any kind. Dang, drifting, racing, drag racing, it doesn't matter. But anyways, thank you for tuning in today. I know we haven't uploaded a vlog in a while. We recently had a little girl, little baby. It's pretty awesome, crazy new, a lot of new stuff going on. So we've been kind of hermits in the house, haven't done a whole lot, trying to get used to everything, getting the swing of things, not getting a lot of sleep if you can't tell. So this morning we are going out to find some parts at the pick apart for the shit box right here, and see if we can't button it up a little bit. We're taking it down to the do-it-yourself garage downtown about 3 o'clock-ish, and we're going to show you guys what we've done already and kind of talk about maybe what's coming up for it. And as always, we got the Go Green Challenger, taking the Canyon out there because we don't give a shit what we put in the bed. We're picking up some dirty ass parts and stuff. They're having a $50 wheelbarrow deal. So you get a wheelbarrow, 50 bucks. You fill that motherfucker up. I guess whatever you can get in it. LS, engine, freaking VR6, I don't know. But we're gonna spend 50 bucks. And we're gonna make sure we at least get our fucking money's worth. We already got the old tool bag in here. Hey, electric impacts are key at the fucking pick apart too, by the way. I hate driving this fucking truck. We actually recently tried to get rid of it. That didn't work out because we're broke as shit. And we got a bit of cash money. And let's get in the truck here. Twisted Boost Media, baby. What's up, guys? So we just got to the old pull apart up here, Clarksville, Tennessee, Queen City. And well, needless to say, this motherfucker's full because we're doing a wheelbarrow pull-a-thon deal. So we're gonna sit here and we're gonna sip some coffee. I'm just looking for little knickknacks here and there, bullshit anyway. But make sure y'all go get on the YouTube, which you're probably watching this on, Facebook, Instagram, Twisted Boost Media, baby. Those stickers are for sale. I guess these old YouTuber dudes call it doing a merch plug. Well, we're gonna plug the fucking merch today, but folks, our vinyl stickers, Twisted Boost Media with the little turbo gear, those are for sale. If you want something specific made, hell, I'll make you some. If you just want like a little tag like this, hell, I'll make you that too. I don't care. We do whatever. But yeah, this motherfucker is stuffed full of people. There's like a line at the door and shit. So right now, I don't think they got any fucking wheelbarrows, that's for sure. I mean, it could be. I don't know how many they got. But we're fixing to go up there and check it out. And we'll see you guys in there, because if I record going through, they're gonna pitch fit probably, I don't know. God damn, this coffee cup's awesome, by the way. I don't know what fucking brand or where this comes from, Contigo. But I'll tell you what, it keeps the coffee fucking hot. There's more fucking people rolling in. I don't care, man. I left this guy with a trailer, plenty of room, because he's gonna have a fucking cocksucker and a half getting out anyways. We're gonna grab our fucking little tool bag, we're gonna get our shit together, and we're gonna go. Well, so I found some parts, some mirrors and shit at the old pull apart here. And we also pulled like a 5.3 out of a Tahoe or something, but the wheelbarrow broke. So we're gonna run it all the way down. We're gonna run. Hell yeah. They're gonna yank it all the way down. There it is.
Ford owners say
LS power, baby. Woo-wee.
LS fucking wheelbarrow.
It's already faster. We linked up with Lee. So yeah, she gonna get there.
My leg's burning.
But we'll get her out there. Well, so I would say it's a semi-successful day. Not a whole lot of VW stuff. So Lee and his folks here decided to go find some better shit. Yep. Cheap ass wheelbarrow, man. Shit happens. Yeah, we'll get you guys a little short video anyway.
Note for the day, do not put an LS in a plastic wheelbarrow.
It's a good quote for today. Yeah, I said we gotta get it because he done fell off the fucking Tahoe and everything, man. Barely missed the cart. It'll be all fun in the end when it gets running and everything. At least it spins.
Yeah, that's the first thing I asked.
Yeah, I tried to spin the crank over a little bit and it definitely moved. So
And then when that
I mean, it's gonna need a full rebuild.
came out, it
Oh,
was
it's nice and green coolant in it.
Yeah.
So it's, I mean, the only thing that sucks is somebody took this off and left it.
Have to find one valve cover.
Well, that's no big deal. And it's not bad.
And you got the whole accessory drive.
I don't think it's been
the
off
whole,
very long.
that
It's
whole
not rusting like
the
a-
bracket's really what's gonna get you. Like this shit and that. That's what fucking people charge an ass load of money
that's
for
what
them.
they-
It's like $300 fucking bracket.
Normal run.
And of course, everybody just takes the whole damn thing.
So they charge for pieces, brackets, blocks,
Yep.
the heads.
Yeah, if you take just the block pistons and like rotating assembly, it's like $180. But if you want the rest, they charge you like $400.
Yeah.
And that's how you got it on there. Lower the little bags down. Woo! Got a
Cool.
cool,
That's about it.
cool little bag trailer.
Well, it's
Hell
made
yeah.
with my car, not the Suburban. So
Yeah.
Suburban's
Hell yeah.
6 inches higher than my car.
We had a pretty good time. Got himself a LS.
His car is low ride.
Yeah.
So he can go both of them same time up
Hell yeah.
level.
Pretty cool. Hey, it gets the job done. That's all we need.
Hey, ride the bike on it. He's got the bike
Yeah.
shot.
Hell yeah. A little motorcycle trailer with bags. Well, we got the engine on the trailer. Got me a little bit of parts. Oh shit, flipping. And we're about to head back home. We will see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching it. Oh man, that would have been sweet.